Hello, my name is Esteban Ceballos, Senior StudentLink Counselor at the StudentLink Center. Thank you for joining us today. Our presentation today will focus on determining what it means to drop or withdraw from a course, identifying the potential impacts, and adding a course before or after the drop/add deadline. Throughout this video, there will also be a quiz. I will encourage you to try it as it will enhance your learning experience. What does it mean to drop a course? It means you're removing the course from your schedule before the drop/add deadline. What is impacted when you drop a course? Let's see. Your financial aid may change since the amount of attempted or registered courses is changing. Your bill may change too since the amount of attempted or registered courses is changing as well. Your visa status may be affected if you're an international student. Your ability to stay on campus housing may also be impacted if you're living on campus. And finally, your veterans benefits may be affected also if you're receiving benefits as a veteran. This is why you must meet with your academic advisor and a StudentLink counselor if you plan on permanently dropping a course. What does it mean to withdraw from a course? It means you're removing the course from your schedule after the drop/add deadline. When you withdraw from a course, you will have earned a grade of W. This grade will show on your transcript. Let's look at what is impacted when you earn a grade of W from a course or a few courses. Your future academic records may be affected. Withdrawing from a course may require you to repeat a course. Depending on your program, the requirements on repeating a course will vary from whether you can repeat a course as well as how the grade for the repeated course will be calculated. Your Satisfactory Academic Progress is affected as well, which is used to determine your financial aid eligibility. Your visa status may also be affected if you're an international student. And your veterans benefits may be affected as well if you're a veteran receiving benefits. If you're considering withdrawing from a course or a few courses, you must consult your academic advisor to determine how your academics will be impacted. You must also speak with us to determine how it will affect your future financial aid eligibility. Finally, keep in mind that there is a deadline to withdraw from a course, so please make sure you are closely monitoring any essential deadlines by reviewing the academic calendar from the Registrar's website and following us on social media at NYU StudentLink. You can add a course or courses before the drop/add deadline through your NYU Albert. If you experience any issues, please speak with your academic advisor. Also, keep in mind that adding courses may affect your billed cost as well as possibly your cost of attendance. Please schedule a meeting with a StudentLink counselor to determine how the newly added courses may affect your bill and your financial aid. You cannot add a course or courses after the drop/add deadline through your NYU Albert. If you would like to consider a course or courses added to your schedule after the drop/add deadline, you must speak with your academic advisor. Ultimately, your academic advisor and an authorized signatory for the department must sign your drop/add form. Also, keep in mind that adding a course may affect your billed cost as well as your cost of attendance. Also, please schedule a meeting with your StudentLink counselor if you have further questions about the drop/add process after the drop/add deadline and determine how the newly added courses may affect your bill and financial aid. Thank you for watching. For more information on this and other registrar-related questions, please visit our website at nyu.edu/studentlink or our StudentLink Center for an in-person session with our counselors. You can also email us at studentlink@nyu.edu.